step into the Ram 2019 ProMaster Cargo van. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE, STD, park sense rear park assist system, engine, 3.6L V6 24VVVT, STD, left sliding door with NO glass, black vinyl bucket seats, quick order package 21A included, engine 3.6L V6 24VVVT transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE, speed control, bright white clear coat and tires, LT 225/75R16 EBSW all season, STD. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.